Uminom na ba ako ng vitamins? I forgot. Ayun nga, ubos na, babe. I'm going to bili tayo. Hi, Steve. Is that you? Kain ka pa? Hindi, no? I guess I gotta go. I guess it's time to go. I gotta let you go. Hello, John. Ingat ka kung saan ka punta. Oo nga eh. Sobrang lakas ko kumain. Sorry na, Hill. Is it Hill? Naman ako malaki. Wala naman ako pinagpormahan, babe. Put them on. Hi, Giovanni. Door. I smeared off. No way. I gotta let you go. Oo. Malakas kasi ako kumain. Emi ka naman, John. Hello, ID number. Hi, Steven. How are you? Anong gusto mong pasalubong? Gold. I want gold. I guess I gotta go. I guess it's time to go. I gotta let you go. Nasira yung nails. I will put my sandals here and my... What sandals? Gusto ko sana. Ay, punani, punani, punani. Guys, ang ganda nito. Nakalat. Naiinis ako. Kape. Hi. Shit, nabaliktad. Mirror, mirror. Mirror, mirror on the wall. What do you think? Yes! Yes! Hi, Rico. Should I wear this or... What do you think? Shit. Banat. Laki na yung talking na. Laki. Let's see if it's giving or not.